Oh my god, I'm gonna eat this up. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you a bit of demo and my review on the Pure Sense Grapefruit Revitalizing Face Mask, Scrub and Cleanser. It's a 3-in-1 facial skincare product. And if you guys have been following me for a bit now, then you already know that Pure Sense and we have been collaborating for a bit now. And this product was sent to me by the brand. And also the next thing that I wanna say is that in this video, you will see me sort of show you guys how to use this product step by step, and also once we are done with the demo, I'll tell you guys what I think about the product. And the demo part of the product has been shot in natural sunlight, and there was no artificial lighting for the demo bit. Obviously right now I'm sitting with artificial lighting and you can already tell, but I do want to tell you guys that I did try to film the video's introduction and the end part as well in natural light, but what happened is there was so much ambient noise because I had to keep my window open and all of that, so I couldn't really, when I sat to edit the video, I couldn't hear myself in the video. I so wish that, you know, I could share that with you guys, but anyway, here we are. And in case you guys are interested in knowing what I think about this product and how to use it, then please keep on watching. So guys, I'm gonna start with taking a little bit of product, and a little bit does go a very long way. I'm gonna start with the sides of my face first, and that's generally how I like to apply any face pack, and I'm just going in upward motion because I feel like that's the best way to apply any face pack on top of your skin. Also, I'm making sure that I'm leaving my around the eye area sort of blank. And once I'm done with this, I'm gonna leave it on for about 2 to 3 minutes, but I'm just checking on the box if I can apply this on my neck, but it doesn't say so, so I still went ahead and did that because I guess a facial product works for the neck as well. So now that we leave it on for about 3 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and scrub my face, and this is just a very mild, gentle exfoliating act over here. I'm just massaging the product into the skin and just rubbing it a little bit, you know, sort of exfoliating in upward circular motion so that any dead skin, any impurities, any blackheads can be taken care of. Once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and apply some water on top of my face. And after that, I'm just going to lather it into the skin. Now, as you can see, this is turning out to be a little bit creamy, and it's not a drying exfoliating mask at all. And once we are done with that, I'm going to go ahead and rinse my face, and that way it has also worked as a cleanser. Once we are done with this, I'm just going to pat my skin dry. So guys, I'm done with using the product, and I'm gonna go step by step with respect to my opinion for this product. And by step by step, I mean that since this is a 3-in-1 product and you're supposed to use it in the form of a mask first, and then a scrub, and then a cleanser, so I'm gonna tell you what I think about it in the same order. So I used it as a mask first. That's how you're supposed to be using it. Now, this is definitely a very creamy, hydrating product. You can tell in the texture of it as well. It's a really, really, really creamy product. So it doesn't really dry off like any face pack on top of your skin. In fact, it feels like a cream, but a little bit thicker with a few, you know, sort of a scrubbing element to it. But it doesn't really dry off, and it definitely did not for me. I'm not sure if it does dry off for anyone else, but for me, it did not dry off in 2 to 3 minutes. And also I have dry skin, so I can tell when a product is working for me with respect to hydration, and this definitely did the job. The next step is exfoliation, and I'm smiling, you guys, because this was definitely my most favorite part about using this product. I'd like to say that, you know, the little granules in this product, the scrubbing beads that are supposed to sort of exfoliate your skin, are so tiny that they do not feel abrasive on the skin at all. They're really mild and gentle, and that's what I really, really, really loved about this exfoliating bit. Also, it helps you to fight that, you know, that dead skin layer which has been sitting on top of your face. It helps you to get rid of impurities, blackheads, and all of that, you know, nasty stuff that you don't really want on top of your skin. I would say that I really hope that you guys were able to tell in the demo part of the product that this was definitely working at, you know, polishing my skin and giving me that new sort of a fresher skin feel for sure. I really, really hope that you guys were able to tell that. The last part about it is cleanser. Now, I obviously don't take it like a cleanser. I do not advise you to use this on a daily basis at all. This is meant to be used the way it has been spoken about, and only 2 to 3 times a week. So do not use it on an everyday basis. The hair is horrible. Anyways, obviously you have to wash it off. Any face mask or a scrub, you're obviously gonna wash it off. So I don't know why they call it a cleanser, but maybe, I mean, I could feel that it was working at cleansing my skin off at a deeper level. So maybe that's what they mean by that. I forgot to mention, it smells amazing. Did I tell you guys it smells amazing? Oh my god, this is going to take you to heaven. And I've said this with respect to a lot of other Pure Sense products as well. You feel like you want to eat this product up. Like, I'm not even kidding you guys. Like, if I could, I would definitely put it across the camera for you guys to like smell this. It smells like heaven. It feels refreshing from the scent itself. And I'd like to give you guys 2 small tips. I think most of you would already know about this, but in case you're going to be using this during the daytime, please follow it up with a sunscreen, because, you know, after exfoliating, our skin feels a bit more delicate, I would say, and you don't want to expose it to the sun's harmful rays or, you know, to the environmental damage. So it makes sense to sort of protect it with a layer of sunscreen. And the other thing is, if you're going to be using this in the nighttime, you can definitely follow it up with your nighttime routine, whether it's a hydrating cream or, you know, whether it's your nighttime oil, whatever it is that you like to use. I personally would like to use this product in the nighttime, because that's how, you know, I feel like my skin gets that rest and it feels rejuvenated and it just feels pampered. Also, another thing I'd like to say is that this is a 140 ml glass tub jar, and it is actually a very sturdy jar. The packaging is almost the same, I would say, to their grapefruit body hydrating cream, if I'm not wrong. I really hope I'm not wrong here, but I feel like it's almost the same kind of packaging. Also, you're paying 13.95 rupees. I personally feel that it is slightly on the expensive side, but again, it's their luxurious premium product, so I think, you know, maybe that's why it's slightly on the higher side. But also, guys, it definitely does the job. It feels like a very rich product in your hand. The minute you take it, you're gonna feel like, you know, it's a rich product, and it works beautifully, and a little bit does go a long way. It's a creamy texture, so it doesn't dry off on your face, and you can easily sort of spread it on your skin, and you know, so a little bit does go a long way. And one more thing that I'd like to say is that my skin definitely feels hydrated. It feels, you know, healthy and radiant after using this, and I'm sure you guys could tell that in the demo. I really hope you could tell that in the demo part of the video. So all in all, this has definitely worked for me. I enjoyed using this product, and I feel like my skin feels happy as well. I really hope that you found this video useful. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. Please let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to film more such videos with proper skincare steps and all of that. One more thing, please follow me on Instagram if you're not. I have been posting a lot of new content there. There's a lot of styling posts, there's a lot of videos, there's a lot of makeup tutorials, a lot of skincare, which is not happening on YouTube. So please take a moment to check that out, and if you like my page, please follow my page. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye!